Hi guys, once again welcome to Logical Saumit. I am Saumit with your new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use the end screen feature of YouTube. So let's get started. Okay, first of all open Chrome and go to sign in your Google account, and on the top click on your icon and select the drop down box as a Creator Studio. Okay, after clicking that you will be directed to the site in which the site will be full of details of your videos and everything. Select the video which you want to add end screen feature and click on edit option below that. So you will directed to the page of editing. Okay, this is the page. Okay, that has the feature to change the thumbnail there. On the top you can see end screen and annotations. So click on that, it will help you. Okay, this is the editing page. Okay, in that you can see many options. This is the video which you uploaded. First simply tap on play, so it will select 20 seconds before finishing your intro, before your video as a intro. Okay, select the time and add. Click on the add element feature there. So if you want to convey your wishes to any of your friends, click on promote channel, paste the channel URL there and convey the message below. I don't want to convey anything, so I click cancel. Okay, and then the first, if you want, add subscribe button, that will help you to add subscribe. Okay, you can move that here and there. So I will keep the timing correctly. I had an intro there. Once more, something should be go. It should go some. I have added a screen, so editing in mobile phone is actually a tough thing. So I will search for that. Where did I keep that? Yeah, I'm sure not here. Subscribe. Yes, my template comes here. Okay, so I drop there and adjust the timing to that. Click on that, which will help you to be. Click there the scroll button. Tap on that. Okay, all perfect. Just scroll it to which way you want. Okay, if you should add a video as an end screen also. You can only add a subscribe button, but you should also add a video to your on end screen. Okay, so I select video. I always recommend choose best for the viewer, so the viewer will automatically be encouraged to see your video. That's a small tip. Adjust the video so that one element cannot replace the other element as the above. So I move that from to the top bottom, so that I adjust and click on the save button up below. So friends, this all today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. It's me, your Logical signing off. Thank you.